Hey guys, back with another video. It's your boy Nemo. Today we'll be playing some Puppet. And before we start this Puppet game, I'll need you guys to go subscribe and leave a like to this channel. So let's get into this game. And hit the post notification bell. Because your boy is trying to get up to be. Oh, we need the wood. I think I watched the Puppet Show before. You guys, I just want to get out of here because I'm terrified of Elmo. Oh my gosh. Elmo's, that looks like, you guys, I always mistake that person. Oh, you guys, I was so close to being caught. You guys, I was so close to being caught. I just need to run. I want to go outside. Wait, what can I do out here? Something about gears. A hammer. You guys, great. I finally found something. You guys, if I ever need to hide, I guess I found a little hiding spot. There has to be a reason she probably ran this way. So I got a blue. You guys, I got a blue key, but I don't know where this key go. Oh, you guys, I gotta run. Dang, she coming for me. Is she speeding up? No, for real, I'll get terrified. I'm gonna get terrified if she really come. Don't mind the background noise. Oh, you guys, I need to find the way to the basement. I'm just following these girls because I'm terrified of this person. Is there anything in here? You found the wood.
Listen, I'm gonna get a present back to my mom.
Okay, so this girl found the wood. Oh, she right there, y'all. Dang, I'm scared. I'm getting scared. Yo, I'm getting scared every time she comes right there. Yo, look at her big eyes. She's looking like a Momo. Watch them play, and once this game is over, I'll end this video probably, or I might do another round. But let me just see what's there. Guys, I wanted to go in the... Girl, you gotta go. Oh my gosh. If this video just cuts off, I'll have to make a part 2. Close. We don't want to see that 15%. Yo, I don't think this is loud enough. Yo, you guys, this is creepy. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm terrified. Wait, don't tell me. Yo, you guys, the game is over. I wish I could be a puppet. Maybe then I can get over my fear of puppets. You guys know. Your boy hate puppets. No! Oh, she's it again. She must got something. Tell me what I should play next. I might do an obby video next. Where should I go? Guys, I kind of like the prison. Nice. Oh, guys, I'm going to the house. It's chapter 1. I'm a noob in this game.
Now you have to start all over.
Okay, guys, I'm not starting this over, so let's go. Look at this. I'm terrified of that. Yo, if I get caught if I don't survive 2 of these minutes,
Why are you running like that?
for real. What is that? A timer?
I'm not ready.
You guys, what was that?
No.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was Elmo. Yo, guys, we gotta go. We gotta go right now. Yo, I think Elmo was right behind me. Oh, he was.
Yeah, you can't get on that.
Yo, I'm terrified of Elmo.
Why is the dog scared of a play?
Sparkle?
He's scared of the play, but he wants the ball. Ball didn't do that.
Because he's doing that. Shut up.
Don't mind the background noise, just whatever. So, you guys. Yo, I don't know where Elmo is. I think he's around this corner. Oh, I was scared for a second. Oh, I found a key again. If you guys know, you guys should go check out Hyper Izzy Reacts channel and Gaming with Press. And Gaming with Skylar, I guess. Oh, shoot. Elmo can run fast, you guys. I'm like terrified right now. I'm scared. Guys, if I die, I will end this video, but... Oh my gosh, you guys. Yo, EXE Elmo is gonna kill me. Yo, you guys, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, you guys. What? So you guys, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and peace.